of a bailout. But the big question then is, because this is what we're talking about, why Greece matters to you. What about your retirement? Right here at home. We brought in Gerri Willis for more on that. All right, Gerri, help us connect the dots, because everyone wonders, this little tiny place they go to for vacation, it's a lot of fun, but how the heck could them not paying their bills impact Americans?
Well, a lot of people own Greek debt. They own Greek stocks. Let me tell you the numbers. Let's break it down. I spoke to the people at IPFR today. They gave me the numbers on how much American investor money is in mutual funds and ETFs invested in Greece. And it's just $3.3 billion in stock funds invested in Greece, $463 million in bond funds invested in Greece. I have to tell you, when you look at all of Americans' investments, it's a very small part. But here's what matters, and this goes to what Liz was saying earlier. If you look at developed Europe, that's when our investments pick up, $1.1 trillion American dollars in ETFs and mutual funds invested in developed Europe. That includes the UK and Switzerland. $147 billion in bond funds and in bond funds.
$147 billion with a B.
B billion bonds,
1.1 trillion.
T trillion stocks. So you can see that we have a lot more money in Europe than we do in Greece. And I think the contagion issue for American investors is key. I have to tell you, people like BlackRock chief investment strategist Russ Kosterich telling investors, and this is somebody that individual investors really listen to, that he is not that concerned about this at this point. And people who watch fund flows, and there are people who do this for a living, say they don't expect to see big changes soon.
But the big gamble that Greece took is that the contagion could happen.
If
you kick us out, Italy's leaving, Spain's leaving, Portugal leaving.
Absolutely.
I don't buy
in
that.
trouble.
I still don't buy that.
Yeah, I don't think anyone does. That's why it's come to this level. Thanks a lot. Hey.